Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment we're going to cover learning to use a measuring tape. Okay, here I have a measuring tape and they come in different sizes. This is one that's broken down to US feet and inches. They also come available in metric. Basically what it is, it's a metal measuring tape that's loaded on a spring assembly that allows you to pull it out, and it has a spring retraction. It also has the ability to lock the tape itself out into the outright position. How the tape is broken down is in inches. It'll climb up to 1 through 12, and then you'll also have feet readings from then on. This one here is broken down to 16ths. You can get them down as far as 32nds and 64ths depending on what you're attempting to measure. But for most carpentry applications, 16th is good enough. On the end of your tape, you'll have a sliding tip, and this can be allowed to, you can pull over a board for pulling a measurement or push up against a board for an inside measurement. And if you'll notice, that tip slides back and forth about a 32nd of an inch, the same width as the actual latch itself, and that makes up for the difference in the latch when you're pushing from an inside measurement to an outside measurement so you get a correct measurement. Let me give you an example how to pull a width measurement on this particular board. I'll pull up with my tape tight on one end, pull over, and I'll read where the board stops. In this particular case, the board stops at exactly 5 inches, 5 and 9/16 inches. One notch past the halfway mark on the in between the 5 and the 6. That's how to read a tape measure.